Hey guys, Aryan Karani from Kid to the Camera here. It's been a long time since I've posted, and that's because of obviously school. I've had AP classes to catch up on and a bunch of homework and math concepts that I just can't understand. This is not a photography video. This is not an APCS tutorial. This is not a video about me chasing rabbits. This is a video about the new Google Pixel 7, and I'm going to be unboxing it on this channel and telling you my thoughts on it as an average consumer and kid who already uses the iPhone 12 mini. Let's get started. So here's our Google Pixel 7. I'm going to be unboxing it in this angle and then going to a top-down view where we can look at the phone closer. Here we go. I have an X-Acto blade, which I'm going to really quickly unbox. Let's open the phone. Perfect. And there it is, our Google Pixel 7. So as I see the phone, what's in the box? There's a phone and underneath a Google handbook and a charging cable, no charging brick, unfortunately due to Apple's precedents that they tend to set, and also a adapter for transferring data to your new Google Pixel 7. Okay, let's go to the top-down view so you can see the phone in a better, closer, awesomer angle. Okay, so here is our Google Pixel 7. So I'm going to lift the box up. And there is the phone. Looks pretty nice, right? So as I take out the phone, what do we have in the box? We have this. We have our Google manual right here. Not very useful though, so I'm going to throw that away. And I have a charging cable. Super cool, but don't need that because there's no charging brick. And your adapter for transferring data between this phone and your old phone. You can throw the case away, throw that away, and focus on the main man, the phone. You can barely see it against a black background. Okay. Here we go. Yep. Okay, so I just got a white sheet of paper so you can see the phone better. That is our Google Pixel. Oh, focus. That is our Google Pixel 7. That is our phone. Come on, everybody loves this part. And there's your phone. Super nice, super shiny. You have the camera, you have the phone, you have a nice little camera bump over there. It's a lot more seamless, I've heard, than the other Google Pixels. And you can see that if this would focus, see that right here, that very seamless kind of bump. There's no ridge over here. And yeah, let's go ahead and turn it on. I'm pressing the volume button. Whoops. Turn the phone on. There is your Google logo. And while that boots up, just a few specs on the phone. This phone has a 50 megapixel main camera, probably this one. It has a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. It has your flash and that's an okay screen, as an OLED screen. That's FHD or Full HD, 2400 by something like that, 1365 or something like that is what I can remember. And as you see the phone booting up, we have a pinhole camera, front camera. It's, I believe, 12 or 15 megapixels, and it says welcome to your Pixel. And yeah, that's my unboxing of the Google Pixel. I hope it's a good phone, and I'll get to know how it is by my dad, who's going to be using it. Just a reminder, you do get a charging cable with the phone, USB-C to USB-C. The phone also has a USB-C port, as will most phones, just like the iPhone 15 should have. You have your manual, don't really use that though, and you have your adapter. So as it says, welcome to our Pixel, I'm gonna press get started and see. Okay, well, this is kind of the boring part, connecting the mobile network, putting the SIM. I'll just like skip that for now because we do have a physical SIM. Let me connect to the Wi-Fi. Cool, and it's getting the phone ready. So thanks a lot, guys. This is Aryan Karani from Kid to the Camera. This is my first ever unboxing, so it's probably a terrible video. But let's see how this goes, and let's see how the Google Pixel 7 is. Thanks so much for watching. Kid to the Camera, out.